Welcome to a news report. Duck Duck here. Today we're going to talk about tornado and the tornado that's directly in front of you, about 100 meters away. Now we can also learn about how do we fly in tornadoes and stuff, but that's too fancy. Let's go. Excuse me. But how do tornadoes form? Good question. I'll show you now. Now, as you see, these sticks are winds, and winds go in different ways, so it will form a tornado, as you see, 5 to 25 miles per hour at each side, and the tornadoes go everywhere, and the flood will come, and then boom, everything will go into water. Now, can we proceed with the weather reports now? I'll take that as a yes. Excuse me, but why do wind crash into each other? Good question. The animation will explain it now. As you hear right now, this is our animation. The arrows are the energy. The energy goes to the sun, heating the beach up, while water moisture goes up. The pressure to the left goes down because of the water particles going up. And because of that, the sea wind from the right side comes in, and then the pressure of the right side of the sea goes down because the wind comes into the middle side. So because of that, the cloud goes in, and it rains in the ocean, and then the ocean creates big waves, which make this a cycle going all over again. Now, can we get back to the weather forecast? I guess I really need to tell everybody what's gonna rain tomorrow, because no one knows yet if tomorrow's gonna be raining hail or cupcakes, which is my favorite. Excuse me, Mr. Duck, but can you tell me why do some particles goes down and some goes up? Is it related to density? Of course. The reason why particles goes up and down is because of density. Here, I'm gonna show you some images and you'll understand. As you see in the leftmost corner, the bottles that have solid inside have 6 particles. But in the middle bottle, there's only 4, which is 4 liquid particles. And in the right side, there's only 1 gas particles. And as you see above, it says each cup have the same amount of things. So the volume of each cup is the same, and the whole cup is stuffed in. Why? Because as you see below, in the solid bottle, the 2 solid particles are closer to each other. But in the middle bottle, where there's liquid, the particles are a bit farther from each other. In the rightmost corner, there's gas, which is very, very, very far apart from each other. Why is it? Because the solid have really less energy, but the liquid have a bit more, and the gas have the most energy. And when they have the energy, they bounce around, as shown in this animation over here. As you see, there's 3 cups right here with the same amount of particles. This time it's not same amount of volume, but particles. And the leftmost corner is the solids. The solids vibrates when they have energy, but they do not break apart. In the middle, you see the liquids. They move, but they don't move really quick because they're liquids. They have medium energy rating. But gas move way faster because they have a highest energy rating. And I guess that's why you can punch through air, but not punch through bricks. And why you feel like something's pushing you back when you swim, but not when you're running very, very fast. Excuse me, I have one last question. I just want to know, is energy heat? If it's not heat, what is energy? Yes, indeed, you're right. Energy is heat, and we can see from this example of ice melting that energy is certainly heat. As you see behind me is an ice cube, and this ice cube receives energy, and what happens to it is it jiggles around, because when it receives energy, it changes from a solid to a liquid, and then it have more distance between itself, and then it starts to shake. So, and then the water spills out and become a slippery ice cube. Hey, you, the old duck over here. You have been bickering about this, I don't know, particle theory for 5 minutes. Now, are you going to tell me, is tomorrow going to rain, or is it going to be sunshine, or are we going to rain cupcakes? Oops, sorry. Tomorrow in Duckland, we're going to rain cupcakes as you expected, which is my favorite. And then I suggest you to stay in your house because it's about as big as a thunderstorm, and we have cupcakes tornadoes that will tear your house apart and replace it with cupcakes. So tomorrow the death rate is a bit high, which is about 0.00001%, and then wish you good luck. See you tomorrow.